If you have a Facebook page and you're not using it to make money for yourself, you are missing out an extra income for yourself. In this video, I'll be showing you step by step 4 different and simple ways you can earn money from Facebook. But first of all, let me do introduction. My name is Esther, and on this channel, I talk about money making, finance, YouTube by breaking them down into easy bits for an average Nigerian or for an average person to use it to better their finance. See, in exchange for that, just go and subscribe. I'm on my way to hit 500 subscribers in June, and what I want from you is to give me a like to this video and also comment to know how you feel about this video. So let's dive into the video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make money from Facebook. 4 simple steps or 4 simple ways to make money from Facebook. The first one does not need any requirements to start earning from Facebook, but the other three that I will be sharing, we need requirements to meet. And once you meet those requirements, then you are good to go on Facebook Street. So if you have a Facebook page or you're on Facebook, then these are the ways for you to make money. Number one is product promotion. Product promotion. If you are selling anything, if you are selling products offline or online or services online, then you can sell it on Facebook. Facebook is very, very wide that you can reach your customers on Facebook through your followers, your friends, or maybe through targeting customers with Facebook ads. So if you have a product or services that you can sell, then bring it to Facebook. And then the best way to sell through product promotion is by showing videos of your services or your product. Videos convert more than images. So out of 100% customer that want to buy or that want to see your product, 54% we want to see how it works, how your product works. So they want to see the videos, they want to see the results. So you can show them your videos through tutorials, you can show them steps to use your product, and make sure that your product is useful to them, and then share customer testimonies. That is for the first way to make money on Facebook. You can do that right now after watching this video and start making money for yourself. If you have a product you can sell, or you know that you know somebody that has a product that you can actually add your commission to, which is affiliate marketing, you can bring it to Facebook and start making money for yourself. Then let's move 3 other ways to make money on Facebook. The second way to make money on Facebook is fan subscriptions. Another great way to monetize a Facebook page is through fan subscription. You can see at times when you are watching a video, you see people sending stars. Yes, if you have followers that really want you to post content, then they will start sending you stars, and that stars, when you convert them to cash, you earn money, cool cash for yourself in dollars. Though the third one is in-stream ads. In-stream ads, to me, this is the easiest method of making money from Facebook. It is about placing short ads within your video. There are videos that will pop up in form of ads whenever you are watching a content on Facebook. At times all these comedians, I'm from Nigeria now. If I watch a video, like ad will pop up. Like, by viewing this ad, the content creator is making money from that. So the fourth one is live stream, and this is the last way to monetize a Facebook page. It is through that live stream people make money too. When you go live, viewers can buy stars and gift them to you. They can gift them to you, and these are the requirements for you to start making money through fan subscriptions, through in-stream ads, through live streams too. You must have 10,000 followers on your page. Yes, it is very, very important to have 10,000 followers on your page, and then you have to have 180,000 watch minutes, which is 3,000 hours in the last 60 days. And you must have 600,000 minutes views and 50k post engagement in the last 60 days. And another thing is, for you to start making money, for you to get monetized through your Facebook page, you must be 18 years old. At least you must be 18 years old, and countries are not eligible. For instance, now Nigeria is not eligible, but you can find your way around it, and then get monetized. All what you have to do is, if you are in a country and you are not eligible, you can add someone from another country that is eligible to be an admin. So you can also contact the agency for that. And if you notice, some of these our content creators in Nigeria, they have admin, they have admin in their on their Facebook page, like people from Italy, from Canada, from UK, from UAE, from France. And if you are still confused, you don't know how to go about it, just let me know in the comment section. Just let me know in the comment section. So I want you to start making money in dollars for yourself this year. So as you are seeing this video now, take it serious and get started on Facebook. Start from the first way of making money on Facebook that I shared earlier, and then focus on the other three. So I'll see you in my next video.